Kar tiegruok mar apisa ma ochung'ne jotich kuonde mag tich ywak ewi riemb tich apisas madito mag kauntis kod piny owacho madonjo manyien. Institute of Human Resource Managers wacho ni thoth governors manyien riembo jotijego ma ok oluwo okenge makare ka thothne iriembo jotije joma ochung'ne jotich. Magi owuok e sama idwaro lony margi e lipode ewi jotije ma nyawawa e kauntis. Jatendgi Philip Odera wacho ni apisasgi oseter e yweyo maboyo kata oriembgi tich chutho e kauntis mopogore opogore e pachoka.
My attention has been drawn to the government formation, especially our county governments. And I'll be able to give a clear example of Nakuru County. Madam Excellency appointed CECs for various positions, and the members of the public rejected the appointments, and the governor decided to send all HR professionals in the respective departments in the county government of Homa Bay. And I know the first time governors want to reward their supporters who really campaigned for them. But again, the procedures must be followed. We have the county of Migori, the county of Busia on issues of HR audit, county government.